All right, guys, so finally we got to a stopping point on the building. We're waiting on green board to sheet it. Got a new car in. Now we'll show you here. Look at the lineup here. The E90, the E60, and another E60. Look at that. Hate that. 545i. I know, right? You guys have been barking at me forever to get an N62 engine in here. I finally got it. Unfortunately, this isn't my car. We'll be making a bunch of videos on it. It's got some problems we got to sort out. It's been inside. It's actually been taken care of pretty good. Sport seats. Got a flickering LED light on there. Overall pretty clean for E60. Usually E60s get the rough treatment for sure. You can tell by the door handle, pre-LCI, early 2005. You got the standard wheels on it. Does not have M Sport bumper. It has a regular bumper. It has, she said it was, I don't remember where she got them at. Aftermarket headlights. They don't look too bad, I guess. You guys think, should I do those on mine? Yeah, right? Who knows? We'll see. Got a little road rash here in the corner. It is lowered, I guess it has coilovers on it. It's lowered way too much. Like they never got it off the trailer. So if it has coilovers on it, we'll ask her. She wants me to raise it up a little bit for her so she can actually drive it around. I don't know. Aftermarket taillights in it. And aftermarket bumper in the back. Sport bumper in the back, I guess. And it's got parking sensors. Probably one of the very first BMWs I've seen in America that actually had parking sensors, believe it or not. It's got, these are deleted, or maybe just a different bumper. They're painted the same color, I don't really know. Other than that, really not too bad a shape. So the situation is, we're over a bump, transmission light came on. So we're gonna hook ISTA to it right now, scan it, see what it says. Okay, so we just scanned it, and as you guys know, all the yellow boxes, all these are the ECUs, right? All little boxes. All the yellow ones are error codes. Look at all the error codes on this thing. So let's go down here to display fault codes. All right, secondary air system, DME, secondary air system 2. And that's scary because this engine has a problem with the EGR port stopping up inside the cylinder head. So I don't know. Tank venting system function, Valvetronic actuator motor 2. That's not good. Variable intake system activation, variable intake system temperature warning threshold. Let me roll down here. Jeez, lost my place in there. So many codes. Oxygen sensor before catalytic converter plausibility, alternator, map thermostat mechanism, system time plausibility, ratio monitoring, gear shift 3 to 4. Ruh-roh. That's not good. That means 3 or 4 pack slipping. One touch gear shift or M gate switch. Doesn't have that, which is funny that it has a code for it. DSC control unit. So ABS under voltage, DSC interface, transmission control. Motor actuating unit fault voltage for the AL. I'm not sure what AL is off the top of my head. AL redundancy comparison, driver steering angle. Okay, so steering angle sensor probably needs to be cleaned. ECO valve and SGM, servotronic valve in SGM. Those are transmission code? No, that's ABS stuff. No monitoring for angle sum relation. Motor position angle not installed. Main beam light faulty. Dipped beam right faulty. This is all headlight codes. Side light front left faulty, side light front right faulty. She has LEDs in them. I think that's why it's throwing that. She said the fog lamp was out. It's showing here left and the right's faulty. The combi, under voltage or over voltage. I don't know if it has alternator problems. It could be that. Supplementary turn indicator, left faulty and right. Light module AHL system fault. SGM, SIM under voltage. Battery lead shield, implausible or measured value. Probably need to check the recall for the hot wire in the trunk. Shortened lamp circuit. Communication with SMC left disrupted. Communication with SMC right disrupted. It says the battery is exhausted. Internal battery, SINE. That's for the alarm, I guess. For the key, maybe. Alarm memory, siren disconnected. The wire ultrasonic sensor rear left, wire ultrasonic sensor front center left, steering column module, position data initialized, supply terminal 30E, 30L, and the CAS. That's not good. TCU fault, which is not the transmission computer, that's the Bluetooth module. Emergency speaker fault. Message error. I'm getting tired. I read so many of them, I'm like falling asleep trying to read this damn thing. Message error, data storage, condition-based service, receiver instrument cluster, I guess. Jeez. And steering wheel angle top OC8. And another one for the combi, K-CAN, communication fault. Factory stereo. Everything's factory and it's been messed with, so. Okay. Let's go ahead and reset this thing. Oh, my laptop's acting weird. I can't see the deal on it. All right, let's figure this out. All right, so let's go ahead and delete the fault memory. Delete. Yes. Let's see what comes back. It'll take just a second here. I'll take more than just a second to delete all that stuff, huh? Nothing's in red though. Nothing's totally down. Also, I gotta check the micro power module in the trunk and make sure that's not wet. That could be causing a lot of these issues too, but not likely. Off the ignition, remove the ignition. Key remote from slot. So it doesn't automatically delete like my new one does. Weird. So it actually makes you take it out just to delete the codes. That kind of sucks, actually. Where my LCI one just deleted all at once. All right. So all cleared out except for the light module so far. That's good. Let's start it up and see what happens. Okay, been running for just a little bit here. We're gonna go and restart the test and see what happens. Just said it was throwing alternator light, which some of that could be the battery. If somebody changed it and didn't tell the car it has an acid battery in it, that could do that. There's all kinds of variables to it. It could be alternator problem. Alternator's charging good though. 13.8, 13.9, 14. That's all it came back. I don't know. All right, so it's starting to get dark out. Laptop went dead. We drove it about 5 miles, maybe 3 miles. Came back, had no check engine light, no other faults. Rescanned it just now. We got a light module and the DME. So let's say display default, secondary air system 1 and 2, variable intake system temperature warning threshold, Interesting. Fog light, turn indicator, AHL system fault. It's all light module stuff, I guess, because all the aftermarket lights in it. Communication with SMC, that's what I have, because it doesn't have the adaptive headlamps. So I think this is probably going to be the eccentric shaft motor on these, because it is searching for idle, but probably got to recalibrate all that stuff and do all that. But one other thing, you're going to hit this gas a little bit, and we'll show them if you pick it up on camera or not. There you go. Got a little valve stem leak or PCV, CCV issue, something of that arrangement. We'll figure it out, but it's almost dark. The E39's in the shop. We got shop stuff to do. We have all kinds of other stuff to do. I'll shoot a video on this. We'll have a bunch of videos in this engine and this car coming up. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.